Welcome. You reach nxgraphics.ca. Today you're wrapping Aomway Commanders. Here's some samples. I'm trying to keep this video pretty short, so here we go. As you can see, I'm prepping my sticker sheet. I'm taking all the excess material off. You don't have to do this, but I like to myself. Familiarize yourself with the stickers and the goggles and where they go. As you can see me, I'm pointing out to where everything goes. And this is just a quick demo. I'm showing you that we're going to be using some heat as well. And you also have holes that will help you align your sticker. So here we go. We take the bottom piece. We're always going to start at the bottom, and we're going to line the holes with the fan. The holes are actually cut out so that there's no blockage. You can see that I'm putting on this really loose. I'm checking the fit. I don't like it. I readjust. I can take a non-sharp object and I can help install some of the corners that might be troublesome. Take a little bit of heat. My heat gun is set on to low, so please try not to burn yourself or burn the product that you're wrapping. As you can see, I'm moving on to the bottom visor, and there's two pieces. I'm only going to show you how to put one on. Alright, so I have these extra little pieces here. These are optionals. You don't really have to have them on, but I actually like to put them on there because it covers a little bit more. It's fairly simple to put on, and I will cut them in half so that way you're not struggling. Now we're going to the big piece. This one's the one that covers the Aomway lettering. So line this up with your power, and you can loosely fit it. You have one antenna, and you go to the second one. And the sticker is actually cut just in case you need a little bit of wiggle room to get around the next antenna. Once you're happy with the sticker, you can start pressing it down with your thumb. Now, you see the sticker is actually sitting off with the heat. You're going to basically warm up either the top or the bottom, doesn't matter which one you do. And make sure you don't burn yourself or touch the plastic. And just use your finger to settle it down. So those normally stickers will not stick very well like this, but with the heat it helps out huge. I definitely recommend the heat gun. You can get away with a hair dryer, but you might need to hold it on there for a little bit longer. And as you can see, I'm using my thumb. And we're going to move on to the next part. That's pretty much it. Check to see that everything's down. If it happens to be sitting up again, just put a little bit more heat in that area and you're good to go. And we're going on to the next piece, which is a small piece. And you may have to put this down a couple times until you're happy with it. I made it large enough so that you can move it around. There may be some trimming involved, just depending on how you actually put it down. But it should match on both ends. And with the heat gun, it actually lays it down pretty nicely. Once you're done with that, we're going to the top. And as you can see, you have all the holes to basically help you align the sticker. The sticker is fairly forward to put on. And as you can see, I'm doing some readjusting, making sure I like the fit. I'll lift it up a couple times and just make sure you take your time. Once you're happy with that, hit it with some heat. And you're basically sealing the deal. And I also made a little cutouts there for the SD card reader. And your top visor. Pretty much just line it in between the straps. You can take the straps off if you want, but you can also do them whichever way you want. I think I recommend to take them off because it actually is a little bit easier. I was just being lazy. So there you go. Your sticker's on. You're basically scratch resistant now and UV resistant.